In a world where our evenings bleed into late nights filled with screens and distractions, the right smart alarm clock can be a game changer for your sleep quality and morning routine. Imagine waking up not just on time, but feeling refreshed and energized, ready to tackle the day ahead. In this video, we'll explore the best smart alarm clocks on the market, uncovering features that do more than just wake you. They can transform your sleep experience and enhance your daily productivity. Stay tuned. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at gadgetpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Amazon Echo Dot, the best budget smart alarm clock. Meet the Amazon Echo Dot, your ideal budget smart speaker. This compact device offers a straightforward solution for integrating Alexa into your life without any frills. What stands out is its sleek design. It fits seamlessly into any room. As a bedside companion, it offers voice-activated convenience for setting alarms and controlling smart devices. You can easily wake up to your favorite tunes or check the weather with a simple command. Sound quality impresses despite its size. Conversations remain clear, and music still sounds great. You can enjoy a well-rounded audio experience without needing a bulky system. If space is tight, this model shines. Despite its many benefits, a small drawback exists. Limited features compared to the Dot with clock might disappoint those who want a display to tell time. However, if you're seeking a straightforward audio assistant, this is hardly a deal-breaker. What truly captivates is the accessibility of Alexa in a compact package. You can ask questions, control smart home gadgets, and stream music with ease. Navigating through tasks becomes joyfully simple, enhancing daily routines. In comparison, the Echo Pop offers a smaller footprint, yet lacks some of the Dot's capabilities. If you prefer a robust sound in a tiny form, Echo Dot remains unbeatable. At number 4, we have Hatch Restore 3, the best smart sunrise alarm clock. Waking up can be a challenge, but Hatch Restore 3 makes it seamless. This smart sunrise alarm clock stands out for its gentle yet effective light that brightens mornings. With 18 color options, you can customize your wake-up experience. The fabric cover adds a cozy touch while reducing harshness. Hatch's design emphasizes ease of use. Large buttons on top ensure quick access to important functions. A pause button allows you to toggle routines effortlessly, while the big button offers a dual purpose: snoozing alarms and adjusting volume. Sound quality impresses with 14 built-in alarm options. Joyful Morning delivers soothing notes to start your day right. Some ambient tracks come free, helping you drift off without extra cost. However, Hatch also provides a subscription for enhanced features like guided meditations and intriguing podcasts, enriching your nights and days. One area for improvement is the app's limitation. Controls are accessible only from one smartphone, which complicates use for multiple users. Still, setting multiple alarms is straightforward from that device. What I love most about Hatch Restore 3 is its ability to elevate your morning routine while maintaining simplicity. Its warm glow and adjustable tones create a tranquil atmosphere for restful evenings. Overall, this alarm clock excels in helping you wake naturally. If you're ready to transform your mornings, exploring Hatch Restore 3 could make all the difference. Still searching for the perfect smart alarm clock? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Ihome Bluetooth Alarm Clock, the best smart alarm clock with Bluetooth. Wake up to the future with the Ihome Bluetooth Alarm Clock. This device combines simplicity with modern features, making it the best smart alarm clock for anyone who loves music and style. Programming the Ihome is a breeze. You can set it up without flipping through complicated manuals. Intuitive buttons let you snooze or turn off alarms easily. Just tap any button to pause that morning buzz. How refreshing is that? Bluetooth connectivity is a significant plus. stream your favorite tunes, or catch up on podcasts directly from your phone. Many other alarm clocks lack this feature, making the Ihome stand out. It adds versatility to your mornings. Color settings will astonish you. Choose from 6 vibrant colors, a gentle gradient, or lights that change with your music. This capability transforms your waking experience into something magical. Enjoying a soft pink glow while winding down at night is just one example of how this clock improves your routine. While 2 alarm sounds might feel limiting, this simplicity allows you to focus on the features that truly matter. The additional charging port is another thoughtful touch, letting you recharge devices conveniently. One minor drawback is the limited sound options. However, the clear and distinct alarms offered serve their purpose well. I highly recommend the Ihome Bluetooth alarm clock for anyone seeking a stylish and functional morning companion. At number 2, we have Amazon Echo Show 8, the best big screen smart alarm clock. The Amazon Echo Show 8 is the perfect choice. This smart alarm clock offers an impressive 8-inch color touchscreen that makes everything, from video calls to streaming shows, more enjoyable. One standout feature is the 13-megapixel camera. This upgrade assures you look great during calls. Friends and family will appreciate clearer images, making video chats feel more personal. Additionally, an adaptive brightness mode automatically adjusts the display to suit your environment. You won't strain your eyes in dim light. Speed is vital in a fast-paced world. Thanks to a powerful processor, the Echo Show 8 responds quickly to your commands. Smart home integration feels seamless, and controlling your devices has never been easier. Plus, enhanced speakers with spatial audio elevate sound quality. Music, podcasts, and alarms come alive, providing an immersive experience. You'll love how it tracks movements during calls, even if you mainly use it for alarms. While some may find this feature less critical, it does showcase the device's versatility. However, it is bulkier than the Echo Show 5. This size may not be ideal for every space. Yet, the larger screen enhances usability, especially for those who appreciate a bigger view. Enjoying a wealth of features, the Echo Show 8 deserves recognition. It combines functionality with a sleek design, making it the best big screen smart alarm clock. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Loftie Clock, the best smart alarm clock overall. Say goodbye to brutal wake-up calls. Loftie Clock reinvents the way you greet each morning. This smart alarm clock does more than just wake you up. It transforms your entire bedtime experience. One of the best features is the 2-phase alarm. Instead of a harsh jolt, it gently nudges you awake. Customize sounds and volumes for different days, ensuring that your mornings are as smooth as possible. With over 100 preloaded calming sounds, you can easily fall asleep to soothing nature tracks or peaceful white noise. Dimmable glow stands out, allowing you to choose a gentle light. This feature is ideal for late-night bathroom trips. When you want darkness, engage the blackout mode and enjoy a pitch-perfect sleep environment. Built-in Bluetooth lets you stream your favorite tracks effortlessly. Durable and lightweight, this clock withstands those sleepy swipes without a scratch. You can rely on it for years without worry. Even its sleek design can fit perfectly on any bedside table, reducing clutter. With a variety of color options, personal flair shines through. Though the app may occasionally have issues syncing alarms, you can easily adjust settings directly on the clock. It's a minor quirk in an otherwise exceptional product. What impresses most is how well Loftie Clock combines multiple functions. Throw away your old alarm, white noise machine, and smartphone. This all-in-one device deserves your attention for a better night's rest. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best smart alarm clocks. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which smart alarm clock you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.